So yes, YouTube family, there you have it, the installation gone in above there. So now, in the stud work, you can notice I've put some nagging in all the way across there. So what wasn't in there before, the insulation gone in up there, so to stop the coldness from coming. And in the cavity in the window now, you can notice I've put a cavity close. So what it do now, we trap the heat inside there, or the coldness now escape, come inside now, the heat inside now escape to outside. So the wind gonna come and fit on top of it there, so now, and seal it. And then your sheet rock will go over here now and cover up, so everything trapped in there. And I'm gonna show you something else on the outside. YouTube family. I realize so the rain did a drip little and me have some material outside. This is a file back plasterboard. This is what we use on the ceiling. The reason why we use it on the ceiling is another form of insulation as well. It helps to block out the heat, block out the cold and trap the heat inside, so the cold can't come in or the heat can't escape. So that's why we use it on the ceiling. So I'll go show you the regular. This is the regular plasterboard, aka sheetrock. If you notice these don't have no file back on it. These are what you may be more accustomed to. So just to give you a rundown in the life of JR, a day at work, so you see. Wow, go on, blessing. Yes, YouTube family, start the some boarding our sheet rock. As you can see, right now I'm cutting out for the pipes. Yes, YouTube family, depend it. See you, man. Depend it, see you, man. Yes, YouTube family. True, I'm working on my own. I made this to catch up the plasterboard to help me hold it up. They have the ready make one, but they find making up something yourself easier for use. So as I was saying on the ceiling, we use a file back plasterboard sheet wrap because it helped to trap the heat inside the house so it don't escape on the outside and help to block the cold from the outside so it don't get inside. And so that is what I go on YouTube family.